Welcome to another Goodnight video here at the NoCo Cat Cafe. We want to thank everyone who joined us this week and invite you to say goodnight to your favorite kitties. We're going to start by saying goodnight to Fettuccine. Goodnight, Fettuccine. Over here, we've got Curly. Goodnight, Curly. For those of you who might remember Mo, this is Curly, Mo's brother. Up here we have Kira-san. Oh, you look really pretty in the sunlight, Kira-san. Good night. Good night to Lo-Crow. Good night, Lo-Crow. Oh, beautiful boy. Over here we have Snooky. Good night, Snooky. Oh, good night to Jackson. You look so tired, Jackson. Good night, buddy. Marmalade. Good night to Marmalade. Good night, Marmalade. Oh, you're gonna give some kisses? Oh yeah, people like kisses. Good night to Rami. Sorry, buddy. Good night, Rami. Good night, buddy. Over here is Sadie. Good night, Sadie. Oh, we see that. Over here is Taven. Taven just got in. Oh, watch out, Curly. Good night, Taven. Taven's brother, Whiskers. Whiskers still a little shy. Good night, Whiskers. And their other brother, Baxter. Oh, good night, Baxter. You giving everybody kisses already? Shoot, buddy. Good night to Highlight. Good night, Highlight. Good night to Maya. Good night, Maya. Good night to the fishies. Oh, here's Whiskers again. Good night to Skittles. Good night, Skittles. Want to thank everyone who joined us this week here at the NoCo Cat Cafe. We look forward to seeing everyone next week. Good night.